The rise and fall method is a technique used in surveying to determine the difference in elevation between 2 points. It is commonly used in design and construction to create accurate site plans. We usually take a leveling instrument such as a auto level or dumpy level, and we set up it at a point. The staff is then placed at a benchmark whose reduced level we already know, and we take the first reading, which is known as the backside. After that, we place the staff at a point whose reduced level is to be calculated, and these readings are called intermediate side. The last reading which we take on the staff is called the foresight. Hello and welcome back to the Master Civil Engineering, and in this video we will learn that how to use the rise and fall method of surveying to calculate the reduced level of points. I have been given a question which states that calculate the reduced level of each point and apply the usual checks for the following dumpy level consecutive readings. The instrument having been shifted after the fourth and eighth readings, the first reading was taken on the benchmark of 100 meters. You can see these 11 readings, okay, and we have to use the rise and fall method. So for this problem, we will be doing all the calculations in the Excel. So let's move to the Excel to solve the problem. So in Excel, you will make a record book having the 8 columns. The first is the station column, second is the backside column, third one is the intermediate site, fourth one is the foresight column, fifth one is the rise column, sixth one is the fall column, seventh one is the reduced level column, and finally you have a remarks column. Okay, so for station first, we know that the first reading is always the backside, so write the first reading in the backside column, which is 0.885. okay, and since this is taken on a benchmark of reduced level of 100 meters, so in remarks write it as a benchmark, and in reduced level column write its reduced level as 100. okay, after that, for station 2, the next reading, this will be written in the column of the intermediate side, so our next reading is 1.640. okay, also our third reading at station 3, this will be written in the intermediate side column, that is 2.89. okay, then the next reading, fourth at station 4, this will be written in the foresight column because it's given that the instrument is being shifted after the fourth and the eighth reading. So fourth reading, this will be written in the foresight column, so write fourth reading in the foresight column, which is 3.010. okay, and the fifth reading, this will be written in the same row but in the backside column, which is 0.955. okay, and this is our first change point. So in remarks write first change point. After that, for station 5th, this will be again written in the intermediate side column. okay, so write the next reading in the intermediate side column, which is 0.695. okay, and for station 6, its reading will be also written in the intermediate side column because we are not changing the instrument, so 0.585. okay, this will be written in the intermediate side column. okay, then for station 7, okay, it's given that the level is being changed after the 8th reading, so 8th staff reading, this will be written in the foresight column. okay, so write 8th staff reading in the foresight column, which is 0.255. okay, and the 9th reading, this will be written in the same row but in the backside column, so it will be written in the backside column, that is 1.535. after that, for station 8, its reading will be written in the intermediate side column, so write 1.00 in the intermediate side column, and the last reading, this is always the foresight, so write it in the foresight column, that is 2.140. okay, and also for station 7, you will write it as a second change point. So this is how we will write the readings in the back side, intermediate side, and foreside column. Next is that we have to find the reduced level of these each station. Okay, this is station number 9. Okay, so always remember, if the next reading is higher than the previous reading, it means the ground is falling. Okay, whenever the ground falls, we will get a higher staff reading. So we can see the reading at the station 2, this is higher than the reading at the station 1. So it means from station 1 to the station 2, the ground level is falling. Okay, so to write the fall for the station 2, select the fall column of the station 2, write equal sign, and then take the difference of these two readings, that is 1.64 and 0.885. This will be the fall from station 1 to station 2. So write 1.64 and from it subtract 0.885 and press enter, and you will get the fall from station 1 to station 2. So this is the fall from station 1 to station 2. The reduced level of station 2, this is because from station 1 to station 2 ground level is falling and the fall is 0.755. So you will subtract this fall from the reduced level of station first to get the reduced level of station 2. So select the reduced level column of the station 2, write equal sign, and subtract from reduced level of station first the fall of station 2, that is from 100 you will subtract the fall which is 0.755 and you will get the reduced level for station 2. Similarly, from station 2 to 3, we can again see that the staff reading at the station 3 is higher than the station 2. So it means again ground level is falling. So take the difference of these two staff readings, that is 2.89 minus 1.64, and you will get the again fall from station 2 to station 3. Similarly, again you have to subtract this fall from the reduced level of station 2 to get the reduced level of station 3. So select the reduced level column of the station 3, write equal sign, then select the reduced level of station 2 and from it subtract the fall of the station 3 and you will get the reduced level of station 3. Okay, after that we can again see from station 3 to station 4. Okay, reading at station 4 is 3.01 and reading at station 3 is 2.89. It means again ground level is falling. So take the difference, that is 3.01, and subtract 2.89 and you will get the fall from station 3 to station 4. Reduced level will be again the difference of these two, that is 97.995. From it subtract 0.120 and you will get the reduced level of station 4. Okay, after that from station 4 you have to consider now the back side at the station 4. Okay, you can see from station 4 to station 5, the staff reading at station 5, this is less than the staff reading at station 4. Okay, 0.695 is less than 0.955. It now means that the ground level is rising from station 4 to station 5. Okay, so take the difference of these two and this will be written now in the rise column. So difference of 0.955 and 0.695 is the rise from the station 4 to station 5, which is 0.260. And now you have to add this rise to the previous reduced level of station 4 to get the reduced level of station 5. So add it to the reduced level of station 4, that is select the reduced level column of station 5, write equal sign, then select the reduced level of station 4 which is 97.875 and to it add the rise of the station 5 which is 0.260 and you will get the reduced level of station 5. Similarly, again you can see that staff reading at station 6, this is less than at the station 5, so again the ground level is rising. Take the difference of these two, that is 0.695 minus 0.585, which is the rise from 5th station to the 6th station. And to get the reduced level, simply add this rise to the reduced level of the station 5 to get the reduced level of the station 6, that is 98.135 plus 0.110, and you will get the reduced level at the station 6. Okay, after that you can see that again the ground level is rising from station 6 to 7 because the staff reading at station 7 is less than the staff reading at station 6. So there is again rise. So take the difference of 0.585 and 0.255, which is the rise from station 6 to station 7. And reduced level is the sum of 98.245 plus the rise, which is 0.330. Okay, so you will get the reduced level of station 7. After that, this is our second control point, sorry, change point. So you will take the difference of now backside and intermediate side. You can see again the ground level is rising because at station 8 the the staff reading is 1, and at station 7 the staff reading is 1.535. So there is again rise. So take the difference, that is 1.535 minus 1, which is 0.535, is the rise from station 7 to station 8, and reduced level is the sum of the reduced level of the previous station, that is station 7, 98.575, and to it at the rise from station 7 to station 8, which is 0.535, to get the reduced level at station 8. After that, for the last station, you can see the staff reading of the 9th station. This is more than the staff reading for the 8th station. It means the ground level is falling. Okay, so this will be written in the fall column. Select the fall column of the 9th station, write equal sign, and take the difference of 2.14 and 1, which is 1.14. And the reduced level at station 9 is the difference of the reduced level of the previous station, which is 99.110, and the fall from 8th station to the 9th station, which is 1.140. Okay, so this way you will get the reduced level of the station 9. Okay, so you have completed the table. Now it's time to check our calculations. So first you have to take the sum. Okay, so take the sum of the back sides, select the backside column. Okay, and then write equal sign, then write SUM, select the bracket and take the sum of these readings, close the bracket and press enter. You will get the summation of backsides. Similarly for four sides, like the last row of the four side column, write equal sign, then write SUM, write bracket and take the sum of these readings, close the bracket, and you will get the summation of four sides. For rise, take also the summation, that is write equal sign, then write SUM, then bracket, and take the sum of these readings, close the bracket and press enter, and you will get the summation of rise. Then take the summation of fall, write equal sign, then SUM, write bracket and take the summation of these fall, and close the bracket and press enter, and you will get the summation of fall readings. Now it's time to check our accuracy. So in rise and fall method, you also have the check for intermediate sides, which is given from summation of back sides minus summation of four sides. So select this column and write equal sign, then take the summation of back sides and four sides. Okay, so summation of back side and four sides, like back side, which is 3.375, and from it subtract the four side, which is 5.405, which is minus 2.030. To check the intermediate sides, we have the check in this rise and fall method, which is summation of rise minus summation of fall. So select this column, write equal sign, and then take the summation of rise, which is 5.405. From it subtract take the summation of rise, which is 1.235. okay, and from it subtract the summation of fall, which is 3.265. And you can see we again get minus 2.030, and then take the reduced level, last reduced level, and subtract it from the first reduced level. So last reduced level, which is 97.970, and from it subtract the first reduced level, which is 100, and press enter. So you can again see we get the last the sum as same, that is minus 2.030. Okay, so it means that our measurements are correct. Okay, because we can see that we have got the same value from summation of back sides minus foreside, summation of rise minus summation of fall, and last reduced level minus first reduced level. Okay, so this way you can use the rise and fall method to calculate the reduced levels of each point. I hope the solution video was clear and you learned something new. If you found my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.